Welcome back. In this lecture, we will build a functional decorator. This decorator, called double_result, will take any function that returns a number and ensure that number is multiplied by 2 before being returned to the caller. This requires 3 layers of nested functions. 1. Defining the decorator structure. Our decorator, double_result, must take one argument, the function it is decorating, referred to as func. Inside, we define the wrapper function. This wrapper uses *args and *quargs to ensure it can accept any arguments intended for the original func. Finally, the decorator returns the wrapper function. 2. Adding the core logic. Inside the wrapper, we call the original func, forwarding all the collected *args and *quargs to it. The result is stored in original_result. Our decorator's unique logic is applied next. We multiply this result by 2 and return the modified value. The caller of the decorated function will now only see this doubled result. 3. Manual decoration and calling. We define a simple add function. To manually decorate it, we pass add to double_result. This returns the wrapper, which we assign back to decorated_add. When we call decorated_add with 3 and 2, the add function returns 5, but the wrapper intercepts this, multiplies 5 by 2, and returns 10. To summarize, we created a decorator that wraps and modifies the output of a target function. This manual method is important for understanding the mechanics. However, Python provides a much cleaner, more elegant way to apply this decoration, which maybe we'll see soon. Okay, our next lecture 13 at 10. Using add decorator. See you there.